And gents, welcome to another amazing YouTube video. And I'm on my toe because this is how the frame is and I don't want, maybe I should stay like this. I'm tired. Anyways, welcome to another YouTube video. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. I hope you guys are feeling good. You guys, the way you allow me to feel myself, I'm feeling myself a lot too, because the comments, the views, the like, oh gosh, I love you guys so much. I just wanted to say thank you so much for always coming through, for choosing to click my video, for watching, for comments. You see that comments, every time I see any comments, it's me, I'm always dancing like you guys took your time to comment on my video. That's how I always act. It's just so amazing. I'm very hungry, but I don't think I have anything to eat because I'm broke. Like I said in my last video, I am broke. Maybe we're going to use concussion spaghetti today because 2 days ago I had spag. Yesterday I had rice. I had indomie. What else? What other stash can I eat? You people let me know. What other stash can I eat before my head starts turning stash? It is time to go home. Yeah. We got a package. Yeah, this is my second order from Timii. I actually ordered twice on different days, but then if they have the initiative, they should have packed everything together, because who wants to be doing stress of rider? Let's go do some unboxing. And you guys, please, I've been craving cake for a long time, but I said I'm not going to buy it. Do you know why? Because I want to cut cake when we hit 5k subscribers, and we are like 15 people, 15 to hit 5,000 subscribers, so we can cut cake and eat cake on this channel. Please guys, help me. Let's not eat our cake next year, let's eat it this year, please. And again, we've not hit that 1,000 views, so let's keep going, believe in you. And you guys, I know I said I'm going to be posting twice a week. I'm sorry. I lied. I cannot do it. I thought I could do it. But obviously Mama can't do that. Mama can't do that. So let's just stick to our Friday, please, people. Please, let's not stress ourselves, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially that comment is very. Bye bye.
Tommy. Hi,